Welcome to another episode of eThekwini Matters. My name is Zimbili Mazibuko, your host. There is excitement at the city's customer service unit, Sizakala, as its mobile app has reached a significant milestone of 100,000 downloads. Relaunched in June 2023, the app has been praised by the public for its efficiency, especially in reporting service delivery issues. To discuss this achievement, we are joined by Mavuso Tshabalala, head of Sizakala Customer Service Unit. Sikubingelele sikwamkele on eThekwini Matters, Mavuso.
Morning, Zimbili. Thank you for inviting me.
Tell us about the city's app and how useful is it to ratepayers?
The app was established to ensure that there is an easier way that customers can reach us. Instead of the customer walking to a Sizakala center, they can go to the app and then engage with the city. If there is a burst pipe on the road, if there is a faulty light, then customers are able to check what's happening, check the progress, and also other things like your tenders, applications for jobs, and so forth. So it's very useful, and it makes us to come closer to our customers.
We are now at 100,000 downloads. How did we achieve this?
It's been a process. It's been a long road. We started a couple of years ago, but then we moved a bit higher about a year ago, June, July last year. And what we did, we had different interventions to improve the coverage. One being we installed about 30 buses. We installed what we call the reps. And then secondly, we went out to our print media. We did some adverts, we did some articles, and then we also went to radio. Had some adverts in the main radio stations as well as the community radio stations. And then we also spoke to our employees, with one employee talking to a partner or spouse and then talking to their families and ensuring that all those people are then in a position to upload our app. That, assisted in giving us the numbers that we currently have today.
So if users experience technical errors and are unable to use the app, who do they contact?
What we did, we've established a direct email link, which is customer.relations@durban.gov.za. That line is meant by someone who's always ready to receive those glitches and then assist accordingly. They normally turn around to a response probably within a day or so. So there's someone dedicated to assist with those queries.
And how has the app improved the efficiency of the city's service delivery?
It has done a lot. Much as I can admit, we can still do more. But instead of, as I said earlier, customers, dialing using their time, cell phone, calling contact centers, they're able to sort of log those faults. So I think it's a good direction that we're taking as a city. We're moving with the times technology-wise. So it definitely makes our customers' lives easier, thereby improving the quality of life of our citizens.
And what new features can we expect maybe in the second phase?
We will continue to grow. The second thing that is coming will be your bus schedule. The other one is your live traffic reports and the waste management schedule, so that customers will know exactly if there are any changes in their waste collection pickup times.
And what feedback have you received as a unit, from users? Maybe any exciting, features that the public enjoys using?
What is exciting and what is, assisting the customers over and above, the ease of logging complaints. Customers are able to log their meter readings during a certain window, which is specific to a customer. And then secondly, the customers are able to download their bills. Once you log on to the e-services through the app, then you get to receive your bills on a monthly basis via email. If there is a challenge and you don't get that email of your bill, you are able to go there and then download the bill. And then from there is a tool called MasterPass, whereby you are able to then make a payment immediately. So for customers that are busy, can't go to the centers, or those that have maybe forgotten to pay, payment can be done anytime during the day via that option. I think that is exciting for customers to make sure that they keep their bills up to date.
So if customers visit any of our Sizakala customer service centers, are they able to get someone to assist them?
Definitely.
download the app?
Definitely. Our officials are all trained to download the app. So if there are challenges, customers can simply ask for support and they will gladly assist them.
And how can we download the app for someone who's listening today and they don't have the mobile app as yet?
Okay.
How do they download the app?
You go to the app stores for different manufacturers, one being iStore, second one being Google Play, and the other one being the platform for Huawei.
Okay. Any celebrations for the 100,000 milestone?
We should, and we will communicate, but definitely it's a big milestone. We have to celebrate.
Would you like to add anything else?
I'd just like to encourage our customers to make sure that they download the app, encourage our employees to also encourage their families, their friends, and their colleagues and their community members to download the app. The more the merrier. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for your time. Make sure you download the eThekwini mobile app on your phone. My name is Zimbili Mazibuko, and that was Mavuso Tshabalala, head of Sizakala Customer Service Unit. From myself and the entire team, it's goodbye. Till next time, don't forget to like, to subscribe, and to share.